This is Edye Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today we will be making a upside down pineapple cake with maraschino cherries.
Woo!
Now, I love this recipe because my mom, when we were little, always used to make it when we were camping in the Ukraine, which is where pineapples are originally from. So please join me as we use the most simplest, sweetest ingredients. Please do us a huge favor, hit that like button. It's the best way to help our little channel grow. If there's anything that you guys can do, click that like button. And of course, please subscribe. We would love to have you in our bean family. The recipe will be in the description below, along with links to help you find the Omnia Oven. Thanks for watching. Let's cook. This is the pineapple juice in place of the 1 cup of water as per directions of this cake mix.